This is the main dashboard for the fleet management module. From here, you can maintain full control over every vehicle registered in the system. When searching for a project, you can view both general information and the full history of all related transactions. You can also track project documents, registered vehicles, and each vehicle's individual files. The system highlights which units are under maintenance, helping you monitor which vehicles are active and on the road. You can also check active insurance policies and, if any incidents occur, quickly see which vehicles are affected. The tags section helps you categorize and label each account for better operational control. And in the GPS section, you can track vehicle locations in real time and even suggest more efficient routes for drivers. This is the fleet management module. This is the commercial module, which serves as the main interface for our CRM. Here, we can quickly spot unattended opportunities or leads, making it easy to follow up. We can also view our daily tasks and get a quick summary of sales registered so far. In the leads section, we can see all prospects that haven't yet been converted into opportunities. Each step of the commercial process is clearly laid out, helping us collect all necessary information to create a complete project record. These stages are fully customizable and can be adjusted to meet the unique needs of any company. We can also view the companies we're in contact with, or navigate to the bids section. In this area, the system automatically searches government portals for new leasing-related tenders and displays them right here. Each tender is analyzed using artificial intelligence, and a summarized version is generated for the technical team to review. Once we decide to proceed with a bid, the platform helps manage the full process, make adjustments, and determine whether we can participate. Every step is designed to ensure a thorough, error-free application. In the Opportunities section, we manage prospects who've shown strong interest in our solution. At each stage, we input the required information to deliver the service, send proposals, and negotiate deals. This gives us full control and visibility, streamlining the entire path from opportunity to project creation, without losing a single detail. That's how our CRM module works. This is the finance dashboard, covering accounts payable, accounts receivable, treasury, and accounting. It allows us to keep an accurate record of all income and expenses across the company, whether they come from suppliers, clients, or any other financial interaction. From here, we can check for any pending invoices, helping us better understand our cash flow and spending patterns. We can also view all accounts receivable information in a segmented and organized way. The system processes all financial data to maintain precise tracking. And with the help of artificial intelligence, it generates smart payment proposals. This reduces transaction time and gives us greater control over cash flow and expenses across all account movements. This is the supplier module view. Here, we can track every active supplier in the system with precision. We can also view supplier distribution by category, whether they're mechanical workshops, parts providers, vehicle equipment vendors, or documentation agents. All this data can be customized based on the specific needs of each business registered in the platform. We can see the full list of suppliers and analyze their behavior, including how well they've met contractual obligations. This helps us make smarter decisions about what actions to take next. Additionally, we can access each supplier's documents, movement history, registered orders, and the list of services they provide. This was just a brief look at some of the powerful features offered by Reno FMS. Our goal with this video was to give you a glimpse of how the platform can transform fleet management and financial operations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about what we do. On behalf of the entire Reno FMS team, we appreciate your attention. See you soon.